Hello, welcome to today's video on Kiddies Pools. It is summer, the season for outdoor fun activities. While adults love beaches, children are not left out of the fun as they have kiddie pools to play in. Kiddie pools are excellent for your kids as they help keep them entertained and cool. You know this already, which is why you're here trying to get the best kiddie pool for your kids. If that's the case, this video has a compilation of the best kiddie pools you can pick from. If you find a product or products that interest you, you can learn more about them by clicking on the links in the description, or you can visit our Consumer Sherpa YouTube channel for more videos on household products, such as best countertop ovens, top 5 picks, and best toaster ovens, top 5 picks. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad. The SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad is an excellent kiddie pool product that will astound you with its exceptional features. First off, this kiddies pool product is suitable to be used on any outdoor flooring. Be it on your lawn or pavement, anywhere is good to set up this product. You don't need to worry about its durability as it can last you for a long time. Also, this product allows your kids to learn as they play with its SplashEZ Alphabet Buddies feature. This feature makes memory matching games and waterproof flashcards available for kids. It helps them to learn as they play. Another perk of this kiddies pool is that it features a pool with shallow water and a baby water mat, making it safe for your kids as young as 1 month. The icing on the cake for this product is the sprinkler. The sprinkler effect makes the kids' pool one of the best around. Intex Dinosaur Inflatable Play Center. This Intex Dinosaur Inflatable Play Center is designed for kids over 3 years old. Hence, this is why its designs and features are complicated. This kiddie pool product is not a joke. It has great features like a palm tree sprayer, a drain plug, a waterfall, a dinosaur, and a water slide. To have fun in this PVC vinyl pool, you need to inflate it in just 2 minutes, and the rest is history. Your kids will love going down this product's volcano slide and landing on a soft mat. Intex Kiddie Pool Kids Summer Sunset Glow Design. Suitable for kids between the ages of 3 and 9, this Intex Kiddie Pool Kids Summer Sunset Glow Design is one of the most beautiful kiddie pools out there. Made from vinyl material, this durable kiddie pool can hold over 75 gallons of water, more like 79 gallons, so your kids can play in a lot of water. The best part of this kiddie pool is its cushioned, soft, and inflatable bottom, which gives so much comfort and safety to your kids, so that even if you don't watch them, their safety is assured. Giant Inflatable Kiddie Pool. This giant inflatable kiddie pool lives up to its name as a giant kiddie pool, with a size of 120 inches by 72 inches by 20 inches. This rectangular pool can comfortably house as many as 4 people at a time, be it 4 kids or 2 adults and 2 kids. Setting up this giant kiddie pool is as easy as you can inflate it and keep it running within 5 minutes. Emptying it and deflating it is even way more manageable, as it features a drain plug that helps to quickly open the 328-gallon capacity that the pool can take. As cool as this kiddie pool is, you must restrict the occupants to children ages 6 and above. Hamdol Inflatable Swimming Pool. The first compliment we could give this Hamdol Inflatable Swimming Pool is that it is a beauty. This appears to be the best of the best kiddie pools reviewed in this video. But we know that beauty is not all there is to look out for in a kiddie pool. When we talk about capacity, this kiddie pool is also a wowzer. With a total of 99 inches by 72 inches by 22 inches, this giant kiddie pool can comfortably hold up to 7 people, adults and children inclusive. So if you are in the market for the best kiddie pool that would fit your family of 4 to 7 at the same leisure time, the Hamdol Inflatable Kiddie Pool should be your choice. Also, the Hamdol Inflatable Kiddies Pool is suitable for sunning, fishing, sand pitting, wading, swimming, and lounging. You can have all your summer fun in this giant kiddie pool. That's not all that is fun about this kiddie pool. This kiddie pool features an adorable water spray shaped like an elephant nostril. The presence of this water spray doesn't just mean more water, but it adds fun to the ambiance. With its 4 air chambers, inflating and deflating this kiddie pool comes easy. The best part of this giant kiddie pool is its unique overflow design, which you might not find with any of the other kiddie pools on this list, or any other kiddie pool for that matter. This overflow design feature helps keep the pool's water level at a safe place where overflowing would not happen. If you want your kid's pool designed to curb overflow and be beautiful, then this pool should be your go-to. Wow, we have come to the end of this video, where we have been able to talk about some of the best kiddie pools on the market. We hope that by the time you have gone over this video a couple of times, you'll be able to pick the best kiddie pool that you and your kids deserve for summer.